Start.
Okay, yeah. So good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you a new poem that is titled as Keeping Quiet. This is the third poem of your book Flamingo. Keeping Quiet is a poem that is written by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda, as you know, he is a South American poet and he got the Nobel Prize in 1971. This poem is one of those poems which became viral during this time of the lockdown because of its theme. If you look at the theme of this poem, Keeping Quiet, so keeping quietness here refers to the introspection. The poet is advocating us to remain quiet, to be quiet, because now if you look in the modern scenario, the man is behind the materialism and all that things. So he's advocating, he's addressing to the entire human beings, he's addressing to the entire human race, and he's saying that we should stop, we should take a pause for a second and do an introspection so that we will come to know about our weaknesses, our strength. Okay, only then we can make our progress. So this is the basic theme that is lying there behind the title Keeping Quiet. Okay, let's come to the poem. Now we will count up to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let us not speak in any languages. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic movement. Without rush, without engines, we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Now, in the first line you look, now we will count up to 12. 12 here is very important because it denotes the time. See how 12, there are 12 signs in the clock, 12 months are there. So he is saying that we will count up to 12 just like you do in the new year, 1, 2, 3. So similarly we will count up to the 12, and as soon as the clock will strike 12, what we will do? We will all keep still, we will all be silent. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any languages. And now since he is addressing to the entire human being, he is addressing the entire human race. So now he is saying that for once on the face of the earth, on this earth, we will not speak in any language. It is not that America will make some motion or the other countries will make some motion. All the entire human race, all the people on this earth, they will be silent. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Let us make a pause, take a pause for a second and not move our arms so much. So here he is, firstly he is reflecting, he is saying that we will not make any movement with the trunk and not even with our arms. Okay, it would be an exotic movement. Without rush, without engines, we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. And now he is saying that it would be an exotic movement. Exotic means unique. It would be a unique movement because now it will be a time when we will not be having any rush. If you look in the modern context, man is behind the money. So without any rush, engines again, it denotes the materialistic things. So it would be an exotic movement, it would be a unique movement because we will not be making any rush without any engines. We will all be together in a sudden strangeness, and we will all be together, we will be united in a sudden strangeness, in a sudden mood that will be quite strange, in a sudden silence. Okay.